guys, how are you? What's up? Welcome on Section 51. This is DozGeek on Section 51 and you are watching our official channel on YouTube. Welcome to this new video. So, how are you? How are you? Thank you for following us as always. Thank you for watching all our videos. And today we are back for a new subject. With a new subject, very strange things were spotted from an airplane. So I would like to share it with you. And I would like to have a reflection to think about this new subject with you, to know your opinions, your way of thinking, your point of view about all this. Okay? So today we are going to talk about some strange creature or maybe a UFO that has been spotted from the window of an airplane. Okay? So let's go now to the web in order to read together, to discover this new article. Right now. Okay. So here we are on the website iart.com, and this is an article written by Dave Bassner, published on June the 10th of 2020, and the title, as you can see, is Strange Creature or UFO Filmed from Window of Airplane. And you can see here the pictures, the photos extracted from the video. That's very strange because that can't be some chemtrails or smoke plumes from a spacecraft. If I remember, I never saw a thing like this. Even when looking at some airplane or jet in the sky, I've never seen a shape like this. So that's very strange. At first sight, that lets think about some strange creature with two long arms or maybe some wings, I don't know. When traveling by air, you are sure to see some interesting sights out the plane's window. And of course, that's always useful to have your smartphone or a camera with you when you are on the airplane, because that's very useful when an event like this happens. From land formations thousands of feet below to all different shapes of clouds in the air, perhaps even another plane in the distance. However, what one person filmed during a trip from Phoenix to Portland is unlike anything ever seen before. It was reportedly shot last year but only got posted recently. The video shows two long dark objects in the sky next to the plane, and they have tails or tentacles that extend behind them, and at one they point. Yes, and at one they point seem to merge into one figure. The entity then flips around in the air before the video ends. So let's see this. And that's the channel, the Hidden Underbelly 2.0 on YouTube. So that's here. This is the video. and we can see that's very fast, and it's shaking with the camera. That's very strange. You can see that this is falling with some gradual slope, nearly parallel with the horizon. And I could suppose that it could be maybe some two small meteorites colliding and making a little explosion that could explain the black smoke at the start, at the beginning, and after that spreading in two samples, 2 bits, and falling down gradually on the Earth's surface. That could be that hypothesis. That's my explanation, but I don't really know. This is just an hypothesis. I wasn't in the plane, I wasn't in the location, so and all we've got is that lonely video, that short video of few seconds, and that's very difficult to make deductions and to understand what is happening in the picture, in the scene. So he's rotating with the camera. What is very intriguing is that the camera is shaking. We can see that all along the video is trying to zoom in the UFO and to stabilize, to take the good angle of view, and of course the UFO is moving is matching very fit. It's very fit with the camera move. So I couldn't tell that. I couldn't say that. I couldn't affirm that this is fake video. I would say that it could be authentic, a real video at 80%. But if it's real, what is it? And as the object is unknown, it is technically a UFO. Yes, that's right, because it's an unidentified flying object. But the person who posted the video and many commenters believe it is not an alien aircraft. Rather, it is some kind of previously undiscovered airborne creature. This is not my opinion, because the shape that we just saw was just seemingly falling on Earth's surface, and I wouldn't say that it could be a creature, rather an aircraft or something slowly crashing on Earth's surface. That's I wouldn't say that's a creature, an airborne creature. One person notes that new creatures are found daily, while someone else suggested that perhaps these animals are mating. Another referred to it as a sky squid. What is this link? This is a fake video about undiscovered creatures, a fish with 2 eyes. That's too big to be authentic. Other commenters point out that it is far too high for a kite or a drone, but skeptics are certain of what the creature is. One confidently stated, "Those are the contrails of a single twin-engine jet aircraft in a shallow climb as it ascends above minimum contrail level. It's also just crossed underneath the flight path of the airliner from which the video was taken, at a right angle, left to right. It's not trailing black smoke, as contrails grey out when the sun is near the horizon or has just set. It's still interesting though." Meanwhile, another person wrote, "Not a plane, not a drone, and yes, it's possible something from another dimension slipped through momentarily. Our reality is just that, ours. There are others, and we really have no idea where or what we are living in. Once we can access and use 100% of our brain, I think many things will be revealed." Yes, that's not right. That's not wrong. I have to agree with you, the writer. The truth is out there. Oh, and we have some comments. Of course. How about these photos that I took from a plane when flying from Houston to Salt Lake City in January 2020? Same general area, since we were only roughly an hour outside of Salt Lake City. Hey, it seems that that's the same kind of event. What's that? What is that thing? And this is Andy Rhodes, who published this new photo on June the 20th. Daryl King, who says, "Looks like two old F4 Phantoms flying together." Yes, that could be right, because they used to let black smoke behind them. It's a kite, aliens. Without a doubt, it is two military fighters, information 100% sure. There is two different videos. Google the other video and tell me if it's two fighter jets. Yes. Okay. Flying space sperm. Water condensation on the outside of the window. Yes, of course. You are right. 100%, 120%, Matt Nash. That must be that. Yes. Water condensation with black color. Yes. Once again, very clever guy. I would be terrified if I had seen that. Remnant smoke from aerial flares used by the military. Military bases all along the path from Arizona to Oregon doesn't have to go far to blow over from a training mission site to commercial airspace. And maybe. But that's a bit difficult to believe, because when military airplanes are flying in an area, in a zone, commercial airplanes don't have the right to flight in the same zone. This is a story of hours of opening to commercial airplanes, and when the military zone is active, this is completely closed to commercial airplanes. So I have a doubt about the possibility of some smoke of flares, military airplane flares, which could have lasted until a commercial airplane arrives in the same area. That's very difficult to believe. And that leads me to another article written on the Daily Mail, and it was quite the same scene. The title was "A Shocked Passenger Who Filmed a UFO from his plane window before the mysterious object splits into 6 parts and flies off. Or is it just a reflection in the window?" And it was a guy from South Korea flying to Thailand, Lucas Kim. He was on Jeju Air flight from his home in Seoul, and he filmed from his window some pulsating UFO. We can see the video here. But that's more UFO lights. They are rotating and separating at the end of the video. That cannot be a reflection on the window. At the moment, you can see that it's passing right behind the frame of the window. Let's watch the part of the video. That's very strange. Here the picture, photos. Mr. Kim reckons that whatever it was not a plane, because planes do not comprise 6 vehicles and pulsate greenish yellowish light. However, some people think it was just a cloud. No, it was not a cloud here. Just look at the way it was moving. In the footage, the supposed UFO is first visible as a distant white dot beyond the wing of his Jeju Air flight. But as he zooms in, it quickly becomes apparent that there are several points of light moving in formation like no regular aircraft can. Moments later, they split into pairs and disappear from view. That was the only time I've seen something like this, said Mr. Kim. And right beside the article, you have a very beautiful commercial ad for Timberland's sneakers or shoes. Yes, okay. The word UFO doesn't mean it's 100% alien. It simply means flying objects that we don't recognize. It might also be some crazy Russian spy plane. Always the Russians. Still, Mr. Kim is open to the idea of extraterrestrial life. I am a Christian, and I am sure God gave us all of this universe to explore, he said. So I don't think there are other thinking species like us out there, but there might be different animals on other planets. Okay. Let's get back to our first article with that strange shape spotted in the sky. It was shared a lot on the social networks, of course on YouTube with the underbelly, the hidden underbelly, but also on other channels. So I invite you to go to search on internet in order to watch the full video. That's very interesting, and that will help you to make your own mind, to make your own opinion on all this. So guys, what do you think of this? Is it real or is it a fake video? If it's real, could it be a UFO, some alien vessel, or could it be some strange undiscovered creature that some guy in an airplane could have the chance, the luck to film at the right moment, at the right place, at the right moment? Okay? How our world is still fascinating. There is always strange things to discover every day in our world, on our own planet. And just imagine all the things you have to discover, all the strange things you can't explain just on planet Earth, and imagine this multiplied by thousands, by millions, just at the scale of our universe. This is completely crazy. This is mind-blowing. So, guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of this new video. I hope you liked it. And if it's the case, I invite you to share it, to comment the video, to subscribe to the channel if you didn't ever subscribe, if you didn't follow the channel yet. This was DozGeek on section 51. I'll be right back on the channel very soon for a new interesting, a new mysterious subject happening on our planet. And I'm sure that you will be entertained with this new subject. So thank you for watching again. Thank you for sharing, for liking, for subscribing. And as always, live long and prosper. Keep watching at the sky. Keep your eyes open. Open your mind. The truth is out there. And see you next time on section 51. Bye.